now Bridal's
Correct.
got a new study, right? So they're doubling down or finally getting deeper into this.
Yes, correct. And so
Okay.
that was what Dr. Bridal mentioned. They it's basically a FOIA request document to Japan, to their regulatory agency, and they were looking at studies of pharmacogenetics. So where this thing
Hold on, let me
goes,
read this quote really quick.
Take your time. So that's the Japanese study, and they were looking at where the mRNA goes after the injection, specifically these two lipids that are in the vaccine. Now, this is for Pfizer's vaccine. So these lipids are called ALC0315 and ALC0159. So they track these in rat studies with the
Now,
Pfizer
let's just be
vaccine.
clear, and just so that I'm clear, when we talk about these lipids, this is basically like the protector, right? That they have the message inside, but the lipid is what is sent in as the sort of the spaceship or the delivery system to get the message to the cells. Otherwise, if you just had this messenger RNA floating on its own, our immune system would attack it before it could do anything at all. This lipid is the protector, right? It's basically the armored car that delivers the bomb to the cell so that it can start producing the spike protein, right? Is that when we're talking about the lipids, that's how they work in the mRNA?
Yeah, and from my reading, it's those lipids are really essential to the binding process as well.
Okay.
They have a part to play in there as well. So what they're doing is what Bridal, from my point of view, is doing is essentially saying, well, these lipids are being found in places, so therefore the spike protein and the other constituents in this vaccine are being found there as well. So let's look at the chart.